Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around, like withdrawing Tether, USDT, from Coinbase Wallet to Kraken. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will make things crystal clear. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Kraken, and that your identities are verified. Crypto exchanges are all about security these days. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase Wallet account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Portfolio, section and find your Tether, USDT. Click on it to open the details. Next, look for the Withdraw, or Send, button. It's usually pretty straightforward. Before you proceed, double-check that you have the correct Kraken wallet address ready. You can find this by logging into your Kraken account and going to the deposit section for USDT. Step 2. In the withdrawal form on Coinbase, select the network for your Tether transfer. In 2025, make sure it matches what Kraken supports, like Tron or Ethereum. Always verify to avoid any issues. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for network fees, which can vary. Step 3. Paste in your Kraken wallet address and hit Continue. You'll be prompted to review the details, including fees and the final amount. This is crucial. Take a moment to ensure everything looks right to prevent any costly mistakes. After confirmation, Coinbase will process the withdrawal, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 4. Once it's sent, switch over to your Kraken account. Go to the Wallets, or Deposit History, section to confirm that your Tether has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it time and check for any notifications. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. In 2025, with more advanced security features, keep an eye out for any updates from the exchanges. That's it for this tutorial. You've now successfully withdrawn Tether from Coinbase to Kraken. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.